Hello soulmates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abiola and I am super excited to announce my upcoming online transparent corset class. This is a fully hands-on training where I will be walking you through the entire process of making a stunning corset. This class is designed to help you level up your corset making skills and add that premium touch to your designs. So here are the things you'll be learning in this class. 1. Materials required to make a quality transparent corset. 2. How to take accurate body measurements required to make a transparent corset. The third thing you will learn in this class is how to draft, cut, and sew a transparent corset with V neckline. The fourth thing you will learn in this class is how to attach a yoke that gives a skin-like finish. Looking at this corset, a yoke was attached, but it gives that skin-like finish and there is no joining at the shoulder. And people will begin to wonder, does that skin have any net on it? And when you bead it, people will wonder where the beads are placed, okay? They'll wonder if it's directly on the skin, or they will just be confused because they cannot see any skin net on top of your skin, okay? So that is the type of yoke I will be teaching you. I'm trying to specify this because we have different types of method of attaching your yoke. The ones where you derive the yoke from your pattern, okay, you turn the neckline, and people can still tell that you have net on your skin. But what I will be teaching you is how to achieve that skin-like finish, okay? I would also show you how to draft, cut, and sew a mermaid skirt. I would also share tips that would ensure that your skirt rests perfectly after you lace your corset. And that is not all. I have also added some bonus tips just for you. One of them is tips on how to help you and your clients look snatched and curvy, okay? I'm going to give you all the tips that I use to remain snatched and curvy all the time. 2, I would offer you detailed explanation on how to achieve asymmetric corsets, okay, just like the one on your screen. After this class, you should be able to try out different asymmetric hemlines and you should be able to wow me. And lastly, I am going to give you a full breakdown on costing and pricing so that you can confidently charge for your work, okay? To avoid any confusion, corset A is the corset we will be sewing from start to finish in the class. Corset B and C are the corsets I used to do a lot of explanations in the class. So if you are able to make corset A, you'll be able to make B and C. Corset A and C are basically the same thing. The only difference is the depth of the V. For corset B, I used a bigger size of cup, which makes it more modest. The style line is a little different and the hemline is asymmetric. Now, over to the class details. The class starts on April 23rd and it will hold on Telegram so that you can learn at your own pace and watch anytime. And the price for this class is 15,000 Naira. To register, send a DM to the number on your screen. Whatever country you're from, just send a DM. We're going to figure it out together, okay? So if you're ready to take your fashion game to the next level and make stunning corsets that turn heads, do well to send a DM to the number on the screen. To make things easier, I would also leave a link to the WhatsApp account in the description box and in the comment section as well. So see you in class. Bye.